Hi, welcome back to Glam Vampira's channel. Katie here if you're new. So today's video is actually going to be a bit more exciting. I've been gone for a while again, so we'll just call me the occasional YouTuber. Yeah, so Etsy shop reveal. My brand on there is called Defiant Dolls. We make, well, just me. I create chokers and chain necklaces, so the focus is like pastel goth kawaii inspired. I guess there's like 90s, is there 90s influence? The Lolita, you know. So for now I've created chain necklaces and chokers like this one here. I really like this o-ring style. I have some more simple smaller ones too. But yeah, and then I think I'm gonna like customize some plushie backpacks too. We'll see where everything goes. So this video is gonna be a bit short because I don't really have much else new. I got my vaccine. We love that. And yeah, I've just been creating my little jewelry, and I'll link all the socials down below. But yeah, I'll probably just end up showing you all the styles I have on my shop right now. There's actually only one of these that will be on the shop, but I'll show you the rest of the kind of jewelry that I have currently. This next one is this holographic, reflective, kind of heart o-ring choker with the little Miss Stoner charm for all my girlies and stoner boy babies, non-binary babes, anyone else in between. Yeah, so I can just show you. So I have like a good amount of these charms. Oh god. So this one, oh, that's not gonna work. I literally feel so dumb because I was like, oh my god, how does this sit properly? But clearly it's reversed or whatever. So I don't know. Yeah, so there's this one says angel, and it sits, there's a lot of them that sit just like below the collarbone, which is a really nice little length. And then there's a lobster clasp, closure. Okay, this one is super Lolita inspired. It even reminds me of like a clown collar and like a delicate haunted dolly, you know, the doll core aesthetic. Okay, sorry. So here's this one with the purple kitty cat Sailor Moon type vibe. And this is, you know, obviously put on by myself and then stitched it together as well. Okay, this is one of my faves, and I already posted it on my Instagram. So if you want to see how I styled that, go check it. So this is the, I think this one is called the Haunted Dolly. Yeah, it's just a white heart o-ring spike choker with the cutest little baby doll head. So it's creepy, but it's cute, yet edgy. Okay, I'll just show you. Oh. Show you a few more. So this is the Karumi little o-ring, and she'll sit flat obviously like that with a kind of more belt buckle closure. Sorry, my ring light's like keeps reflecting where I put my phone, it broke. So Love that. And then we have this witch black tulle. This is actually blue as a collar. And then it has the witch little resin jewelry. And then all of these have like adjustable snaps, and they fit well. I usually wear on the second tightest, but I know for more of the petite girlies, if you don't have a big old neck, long neck like me, then you'll probably use the last one. What else? Oh, so in terms of shipping, obviously, so right now my Etsy store is delivering to Canada and the US, but I just will look into worldwide things just in terms of yes, other places. Okay. Oh, I do have a lot more chain necklaces. So this one is a beautiful little Lolita chain, more simple, but yeah. And these ones ship a lot cheaper than some of the bigger choker chains. Oh. And then we have the little demon chain. This ghost face sits in the center when you wear it on, and it's a bit longer. And then this is one of the first designs that I created. So we have Rotten with some little bloody cleaver knives, super cute. And then we have the Bi Panic chain, which is pretty self-explanatory. This one's more simple. These chains are really comfortable. And like when you wear them, you don't really even notice that they're on, which obviously with chokers is something that, you know, you're gonna feel it when you wear it. Yeah, so I'll be making more kind of, you know, queer or LGBTQ, IA+, kind of, you know, designs, especially for Pride Month. I think I'm gonna do some pronoun chain necklaces. This one, I have a thinner chain link style. It has witches, this one's not turned around, and little bats, and then they all lay like kind of like that. Just more simple but still pretty gothic, am I right? So yeah, that's some of my fave chokers that I have on my Etsy right now. Obviously there's more coming, and then I might do like reruns of certain designs if say they sold out and you're really interested. Yeah, let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching this video, watched it all the way through, or just checked in and you came to the end. So yeah, check out my Etsy shop. So it's Defiant Dolls, and I'll leave it down below in the comments or even, you know, description, right? And yeah.